नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। A very good morning to you all. Myself, JVN Dr. Ravi Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Practice of Medicine at Faculty of Homeopathic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In the series of dermatology, we are going to start with scabies today. Scabies, a skin disorder that is caused by the human itch mite, Sarcoptes scabies variety hominis. It causes itching dermatosis, infesting near about 300 million persons worldwide at any point of time. The scabies should be considered in patients with pruritus and symmetric superficial excoriated papulovesicular skin lesions in characteristic locations, particularly if there is a history of household contact with the infested person. This is the image of Sarcoptes scabies. Lifestyle of an itch mite. A gravid female mites of around 0.3 millimeter in length burrows superficially within the stratum corneum, depositing 3 or fewer eggs per day. 6-legged larvae mature to 8-legged nymph and then to the adult. The gravid adult females emerge to the surface of the skin about 8 days later and then re-invade the skin of the same or another host. Newly fertilized female mites are transferred from the person to person, mainly by direct skin-to-skin contact. Transfer is favored by crowding, poor hygiene, sex with multiple partners. Outbreak occurs in preschool, hospitals, nursing home, and other residential institutions. Mites die within a day or so in the absence of host contact. Clinical features. It is asymptomatic up to 6 weeks before the onset of intense pruritus. The pruritus is worse at night and after the hot shower. The burrows become surrounded by inflammatory infiltrates composed of eosinophils, lymphocytes, and histiocytes. A generalized hypersensitivity rash later develops in the remote sites. These are the sites in which the itching appears the most. Location and appearance. The burrows appears as a dark wavy lines in the upper epidermis and are 3 to 15 millimeter long. Most common on the volar wrist and along the digital web spaces. In males, the penis and scrotum becomes involved. They appear symmetrically at those sites within the intertriginous areas, around the navel and the belt line, in the axilla, and on the buttocks and upper thighs. Small papules and vesicles, often accompanied by eczematous plaques, pustules or nodules, they appear symmetrically at those sites. Immunity and associated scratching limits the most infestation to less than 15 mites per person. Hyperinfestations with thousands of the mites, a condition known as crusted scabies, occur in result from glucocorticoid use, immunodeficiency, and neurological or psychiatric illness. Crusted scabies often resembles psoriasis. Both are characterized by widespread thick keratotic crust, scaly plaques, and dystrophic nails. Characteristic burrows are not seen in the crusted scabies, and patients usually do not itch but are highly contagious. Appearance. There is history of pruritus. Clinical examination consists of epidemiological link. The burrows are sought and unroofed with a sterile needle or scalpel blade. The scraping is examined microscopically for mites, eggs, and fecal pellets. The examination of the skin biopsies or scrapings. Dermoscopic imaging of the papillovesicular lesions. This is the diagnosis, how the diagnosis is done. By the examination of the skin biopsies, appearance is wrongly written, it is diagnosis. Diagnosis is done by examination of the skin biopsies or scraping, dermatoscopic imaging of the papillovesicular lesions, microscopic inspection of clear cellophane tape lifted from the lesions may also be diagnostic. Now, how to manage the case of scabies? Management is done by permethrin cream. Scabicides are applied throughout thoroughly behind the ears and from the neck down after breathing. Successful treatment of the crusted scabies require pre-application of keratolytic agents such as 6% salicylic acid and then scabicides to the scalp, face, and ears. Within 1 day of effective treatment, the scabies infestations becomes non-communicable. Antihistamines, salicylates, and calamine lotion relieves the itching during the treatment, and topical glucocorticoids are useful for pruritus that lingers after effective treatment. Unnecessary retreatment with topical agents may provoke contact dermatitis. What are the precautions that are needed to be kept into mind? Bedding and clothing should be washed and dried on the high heat or heat pressed. Close contact of the confirmed cases, even if asymptomatic, should be treated simultaneously. Scabies mites of the other animals may cause transient irritation, but they do not reside or reproduce in the human host. In humans, the causative factor is Sarcoptes scabivat hominis. Homeopathic management. There are lots of medicines given for scabies. We are going to discuss few of them here. Arsenic album. The skin becomes hypersensitive and violently itchy. There is soreness, burning sensation, and dryness often accompany. Carbonium sulfuratum, chronic skin disease with much itching. Carbo vegetabilis, there is itching worse on evening with warmth in the bed. Causticum, there is intense itching, burning, and redness occurs in the folds of the skin between thighs and the fingers. Creosotum, there is itching worse towards the evening. Next we have Sorinum, there is intolerable itching on the scalp and bends of the joints with itching worse from warmth of the bed. Sepia, skin feels itchy but scratching provides no relief. The symptoms worsens when on exposure to open air. We have sulfur. The skin is itchy and irritated. The itch worsens with the application of water or heat. Symptoms aggravated during the night. So this was all about scabies. In the next lecture, we will be discussing about dermatophytosis. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box and I'll try to resolve it. So this was all for today. Thank you very much. We will be meeting in the next lecture tomorrow.